Hi everyone, my name is Kiran, and I have faced this issue just first time I am installing the Android SDK for the React native purpose. So it's not running and giving me some issue. I installed it by default 34 SDK as well, and that time also still it was giving after configuring some JDK configuration, Android Studio path configuration, Android home path, Gradle path, and all the things. Then it is also giving the issue. So I put it the some versions as per the my 34 LTK version, and then after configuring path all the things and command line tools and build tools for the Android SDK, it is working. And after installing the virtual device, after that it is also working. Although it is showing here, and ADB is giving because we don't launch it the our virtual and Android device, so that's why after launching it will automatically will pick that. Just this is showing because by default 35 is there, but I'm just configured 34, so then by that way it is showing. So I will be showing you the all configuration. You just need to configure that things in your system, although it will work. Okay. So let me show you the Java version. It requires the Java 17. Okay, 1.7. Just go through this. I installed the OpenLogic, OpenJDK with the version. Let's see how to install them. I'll just go to the OpenJDK website. Okay, just search OpenJDK and go to this website. And after that, you have to select the versioning. I require the 17. It's recommended for the 34. So that's why I'm installing this and just download whatever the system you have. Operating system, I have Windows, so it will show you the Windows. This you can install whatever zip or in a machine. So after installing, just make and install. Just one option is there while installing. Just configure the home path is there. Check that. It will set the home path by default. Or if not say, you can manually do the JDK path as well in your environment for the window operating system. Uh, Let me show you the first of all the Android Studio. If not installed, go through the Android Studio and install that. It's a common thing. Everyone will know if you are seeing this video. So go to the Android Studio in SDK Manager. After in a manager, if you are installing first time, it will by default you need to install 35 Android APA. By default, there is no option. So yeah, so it is necessary to there is no option. So install that as well. Just check the this Android 14. Okay, Android 14 upside down click. Just select the platform SDK platform 34. Okay, and with that related Google Play ITEL this item system image, and just go through the. If you are not getting this option, just check the show package details. It will appear all the things, and I think yeah, that SDK I have downloaded 34. That is 34 and 35. Let's go through the SDK tools. Yeah. So, uh, you need to select Android SDK build tool. In that, just select the 34 version. Okay, but although 35 is there, but it's not working for me. Although you may also face this issue similar, but 34 is working for me, so I'm telling you just what is the date today? Yeah, the September. 2024 is there, and I just installed all the preset for time. So yeah, so you can install 34 SDK build tool without 34. Okay, and Android command line tool. Although I have installed it, but you have no sticking. Just take the latest one. We'll install that, and after that, go to the Android emulator. That will be the virtual device on that our Android application will run whatever you developing. And the Android emulator hyperdriver, that is virtual device it will create, and the Android SDK platform tool. By default, there is version 35. We cannot do anything for this case. You just check this build tool, we have selected the Android execute platform license level. It is not necessary, but just check this if you want. Command line tool is required. Build tool, okay. Execute platform tool, there. Okay, although we have selected. Build tool is also selected. Command line tool is also selected. Emulator, okay, okay. All the things are there. Just click OK and apply. After all setting, you need to configure. Let me show you the my where the my SDK will appear. Go to the your user. Go to the user and with the my system add that as if you are not getting this, go to the property. Go to the attribute read only, not this. Okay, where it is, I think property on the options. Go to the options. Show view. Okay, in a view, show hidden files and folders and drivers. Just tick that and go uh, check the OK and apply. It will show you the app data. If not showing, just put in there. You will get that. Okay, in local, get you will see Android folder in that, and there is a SDK. So all the things we have installed emulator, that license we have selected platform, that platform tool and source. All the things are there. Build tools are command line tools are there. Just all the parts you need to take this from this directory. Uh, Whatever I will be showing in my that enemy of window environment variable. So just configure that. Uh, okay. Just let me open the virtual environment. Okay. So I will be showing you environment variable of the just configure this Android home path as we saw that we I also go to the that folder where the our SDK path where SDK is located, so just copy that path and just put it here and just name as it is like Android underscore home in capital first same for the system both apply both configuration for the system as well and for the user as well. And also set the Java home if it is not set from your side or while installing OpenJDK. So you can set this path as per the this whatever the JDK you have installed. Just configure this. Just check the JDK 17 17 related version is there. Android SDK root. You can select. You can give the these names as well. Just give as it is. I'm showing. Just your path will be different and name convention will be same. Same for the system variables. I have configured the Android home, home date, Java home, and yeah, that just go to the paths. Okay, so Python other things is there. Where okay, from here all the path I have said, just take a loop, pause it, and just check and apply all. Just common thing is there. Check your system and just check where the SDK is there. After that, all the things will be similar for you and me. Okay, just the SDK from user to SDK that will be the different paths for you and me as per your system. And other the after that SDK slash platform and emulator and all the things will be similar. Just compare write down in your configuration path of configuration. After setting, just click OK. You can, yeah, if you don't know how to add, click pay that path and it will be okay. Okay. After clicking OK, okay, just go through the system paths. Same thing here as well. Just let me show you. Just see that this okay. Android 34. I have said the 34. Okay, this is important. 35 is not working. So set the 34 build tool and Android 34. Just go through the these files properly. And OpenJDK is always at the top of the root system root file. So yeah, and yeah, after setting these things, okay. Right now we have configured all the things. Let me show you the virtual device, how to install it, how to install the virtual device. I have installed Medium, but let me show you how to install that as well. If it is not in, it will give the ADB error or virtual device error as well. So it's important to install proper version. So we have installed it. Okay, I'm selecting the medium because it's working properly. So I will recommend to choose this. Although you can choose other, but I will recommend this. And whatever the version we have, SDK version we have downloaded, that I'm selecting. Although 35 is there, but in a path I have just considered 34, so 34 is will be working. So I will be download upside down take of 34 APIs and related Android 14. Well, matlab, yeah, that version I'm installing for the virtual device for my Android phone. And just finish. After finishing, it will install device. Okay, just it's both are similar, so it's creating duplication. I will be deleting it. Just I will be showing this. Just after installing that, I just go through and run. If it's running properly, the system is working or launching properly, and that means your virtual device is Android emulator is working properly as per as like our Android device, your uh, your Android phone, then it will be all set. It will work. Just React Native setup will be remain. I will that also show you that. Just to wait. It will take some time to launch. Since it's restarting, so taking time. OS is okay. Yeah, earlier I installed the Expo React Native. I'm working on that, so it's ready. Okay, so it's properly working. You can go to yeah. Let me go back. Okay, okay. Go. Just wait. Okay. Let me launch and let me check. If Chrome is working, means all the things is working. Okay, working. It all things are okay. Let me show you YouTube. Yes, it is working. Something is getting, maybe the net is slow, that's why it's not. Okay, okay. So let me, since the virtual device is running, so it will it will resolve this ADB. Okay, no device and okay. So our emulator is working. If still is not working, you can press this command for the fixing issue. Uh, Trying to fix error. If you are facing some error, you can press the E error and warning to fix your. You can from this way, it's also fixing issue. So right now I'm now clicking on the cancelling all checking. Let me run the doctor command. Just go through this command and let me doctor. It will check the all the things diagnosis. Okay, ADB is configured. Okay, and for the some users, if their version is not proper as per the requirement. So I will recommend install that JDK version. It might be it will be showing you JDK 11 to install, and it may be it will say JDK 21 or 20 related version. It will require for me in my case, 17 is working. It was showing that the JDK 17 is required 17. So I installed it and considered. So Android Studio, okay, we have configured Android home path that is necessary to locate the very SDK. Okay, that is also Gradle build tool we have installed it, the command line as well as build tool and Android SDK. Since it is a 35 by is there as well, so it's not properly configuring here, but although we have configured 34, so ignore this. It will be giving as uh, variable. So just ignore. We have configured all the settings. Okay, 34 we have added, so there is no worry. Let me show you the let me run the React app. Let me first of all let me close this. I will close all. You can check why why starting our application. Okay, this is a command. Just note and run from your side as well. It will launch automatically your virtual environment, Android app, and all this stuff. So it's launched and maybe initially it will require some setup, so it will take time. It will this SDK this virtual emulator may appear like this or here in a small. Just scroll, just expand it and make it proper. Initial time it will go outside or it will be small. So yeah, with that and just right now, it's launched application means it's working properly. Just we need to ensure that our local host, whatever the React Native application is there, it is appearing in our phone or not. Okay, just we will check that the final last thing. Okay, okay, let me go through this. Just let me do that and Metro server is running. Okay. Okay, okay, reactor form. All the things is working and our local whatever the React Native application is there, it will appear here. APK. You can start now working on the React application. Okay. I just added some image yeah, so alert and image are added, so it's working, right? So just go through the first of all, just configure the JDK version. You can download from OpenLogic, the 17, and Android SDK version 34 as well, and configure the 34 in your environment as I shown in my environment. Just configuration, just your initial path will be different according to your system. All other after SDKs route or path will be same for you as well. And in Android configuration, the package SDK manager, the versioning and all I have shown. Just configure that and install them. And after that, restart your system. Again, try to install if it is not working. Uh, and configure all the parts. Just check, go through the each and every character of the path variables, and also check in your system is there properly installed or not. After that, it will, I think it will work. There is no problem. If still issue there, just comment down. Let me know in the comment. I will help you. Yeah, okay. You can try as well Expo, but Expo little bit required maybe it's not required is Android Studio, but yeah, you can React Native is better for our development and building the APK. So yeah, just configure all things. I hope it will work since I have put in too much time. I not found a solution on the internet. Yeah, there is a solution like 30. It's old, I think. Just go. Yeah, there is someone is saying. Okay, okay. Yeah, JDK related version issue are there, but it's not for me. It's not solved to go through the my way. I hope I also solved my friend's issue. He's also facing same issue. So go through this and set up all the paths and variables and versioning, install the packages SDK properly attached to it will work for you as well. So yeah, my app is working. I can see it properly. Okay, so yeah, that's the things I want to say.